65.
65.
65.
Negacija 2.
Negation 2.
Negation 2.
Je li prsten skup?
Is the ring expensive?
Is the ring expensive?
Ne, košta samo 100 eura.
No, it costs only 100 euros.
No, it costs only 100 euros.
Ali ja imam samo 50.
But I have only 50.
But I have only 50.
Jesi li već gotova?
Are you finished?
Are you finished?
Ne, još ne.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Ali uskoro ću biti gotova.
But I'll be finished soon.
But I'll be finished soon.
Želiš li još juhe?
Do you want some more soup?
Do you want some more soup?
Ne želim više.
No, I don't want any more.
No, I don't want any more.
Ali još jedan sladoled.
But another ice cream.
But another ice cream.
Živiš li već dugo ovdje?
Have you lived here long?
Have you lived here long?
Ne, tek mjesec dana.
No, only for a month.
No, only for a month.
Ali već znam puno ljudi.
But I already know a lot of people.
But I already know a lot of people.
Putuješ li sutra kući?
Are you driving home tomorrow?
Are you driving home tomorrow?
Ne, tek za vikend.
No, only on the weekend.
No, only on the weekend.
Ali se vraćam već u nedjelju.
But I will be back on Sunday.
But I will be back on Sunday.
Je li tvoja kćerka već odrasla?
Is your daughter an adult?
Is your daughter an adult?
Ne, ona ima tek 17 godina.
No, she is only 17.
No, she is only 17.
Ali već ima dečka.
But she already has a boyfriend.
But she already has a boyfriend.